Ni sambula pinaka. Ni bula ni mata pinaka tela mai na tokani na wala mata bikim ni ndo vamuria tu mai na vata Lia Bless Digital Marketing pambula tal tiko ni go bakayandra o klani santente o ngai meti ko tali sabi awati binanga sabi ento na mata na nungu dawa tiko di kai tinga na besni to bi mate sabi mama da kisar mai ia au binakata meu mai vambula ngayani o klani o rede tiko eso ser ngai baka mumuribo tiko mai nimbula binaka ia ke bakau se baka nyo kile yao au na ngani ni na buni mo na berata tiko ni ngwana kono Alberta Canada ngona bata ngo e wasi tiko ni kina nungu online business kau sangkara batiko mai sabo leka ko ni bana mbaki nungu titi baka tiko nungu online business kau binakata meu lako ngamen kuah au maybe ba getting a weekend na sar tiko se tumbe kana nonda lama rua se lama taro takato na kan baleta na vivibakin business na online space lebo sar na be matagali online business era tu io bimbi mo reda na kena ko legitimate and the business that I am sharing with you here na business ndo aseti kanigo o ko ndo abira ko kantina o buni no do waseti ko ni kina ndo tiko mama ibarite kiao baleta nyo sa kilana bina kani ngarabi business vakambimbi na kena ko ngarabi tiko ngo na bimbi mendando da kabla nanda se ciao andremand anda kabla nanda ngor bakandindik ngo ndo ndara magati ngo me bukiana tambango kaya kau ikon to mo baka na tamba mo se sona kavaya ratu sona kavan ko dar libang takai this kind of na strap bango muri bato kaya changa me stick bango iliu bango ira so it helps me keep my back straight and up ndo ke vale bondo mo na tambango anyway daba prima ka besora ko to me sona idea bango ko kekenda but anyway ngana business ko ngarabatiko weekend na lo matar tiko klani lebra rede tiko mai you know what kind of business is this business ba na ba bando waseti ko golia siang dengan tana kan rede me bolita katiko na tama manda ko bolita katiko bala tanta sarunga tangan business kanda klana business indana kind na mentarrede me bolita kitiko na business ya a product well Pikemani na siang baka ni toraramti ko na ilako ni ken durumi mai na business ko. Mata yenda na register na reda tongo rena nungu ken ko tiko kina na nungu website www.liabless.com ko to batanga ko boleto ko na screen. Ko ngori ko to kai ken ngori ni ona tap taka na link ngor ko sarang tala sarang abi ko na bono na register kina wale wana na damu kena no email address a valid email address ko tiko na ngo confirm taka na no registration sing na ka so manya register me rawanga kinanyo o dingoma meron lebaka ini kinabi ko na email kay tiko kina na link ni webinar ko intondor mo sarap ko na webinar ko nang kay ni rawan yo rida kina na yabo ni business ka ndo wasiati kay ko ese na ka ndo do botabalebo the basics of our business model. Iko na reda pa na webinar you learn about the 3 pillars of our business model. So, kaya sana rawan yon kala suliabi ko indo na idea of what this business is about. Not only that, and link talanga yan webinar pa tayo na reda kina sana nan retala no so talen na turang marama baka tifin business taliti ko ngara to kin business rat keme garaba titi ko na business ngor na wasete kana nan retala no nyo sana runga dawatia sana ngai baka tawi ko na no mo betor na kala wataraba business ko ko siya ni fosta ki kenda siya ni may fosta ki wasi chuka ngani bike muni diti ko indo na ka around ni beboki ke bakai ko binakata binakata nindo talen na nomu iburu se nomu side hustle ranyo ngara watu nyo siya takatiko Nio saba ka tula wata ka meo to sa liu iko sana ngai so mai ka indo na fi undo ko dapat ba liu $149 kaya weekend na tiko men nanda ko be tulan ro tiko ba ka 340 or 350 and na so mo ayon inda na so mo ya kenda ba ka tiko na nanda Visa card sena nanda Mastercard sena ni may Easy card Essere talangani M-Pesa, essere ni Western Union, se MoneyGram se davatali no. Ni kama na msosomi, masomo mai na excess fee, you will have to use a Mastercard or a Visa card. And most tani meki na 100 o sinklai na matani tu iko kina, yo equivalent to $149. Kaya kati ko may biti ko na musuko tani mena no mukad na tulan ro baka da. Kaya tiko kay Canada, si Australia o klan bi ronan ro tiko baka da. Na ilabo ni nanda panu ay na nanda tiko kina. Kaya na musuko tani mo ko no mukad. Meraw ni yung kay dingo mo ko na na the video ko baro tekito meraw ni yung kay mereve kina. Kona kaya kislibikan daba lamatar takatiko na product na daba mandani bulta katiko tiko ikya. Na business ko eko esera ni dizembura kanito kambani sena nito business our community esera ni katoto ko $10 tu yani. It's around to connect for those who are really serious about changing their lives, who are really seriously looking for something. Okay, serious takatiko na nabangarati ko ito naka benakatati ko na sa isasangan din natiko mento labatali to sono na buruburi okay na turmene kala. So keba kai ko like eobe manda I really don't worry about those keba kasanto sa second be soma then it's okay. Maybe this business is just not for you. So we came in sana nyo lante me lamay ko sana kay mereda. Na kay mereda iko na the companies that we work with, on mereda na products eratiko, the different packages. Agora gichwila mo na strategy six sana kay reda. Okay, bina kiana ko nganiti ao. Ibe na bono mo tekbukina. But so nindo santo pasar chumin ko na nandataro ilio. Bida na roni rawata. Agora bida na torte kana be mada, Kung na bono ko na may reda kina. Mana may bully din niya sa lak. So mamaya iko sa ngay may reda todo kung you'll come and see the compensation plan. Na strategy sa ba na ron yung baka totoo takadak na numutumbo. Kaya kay ko binakatea, then you go for that. Kaya kay ko beto sa nga baka malwa, then you go for another one. Lewo chukuna kani wale. Yo kaya kay ko binaka mo na toro sa kami balata na video ko baro tekitu me baka madala ta kabi kenda ko na via ona sarabati ko na via rota chum baka erona yawa set of videos that is prepared for those who want to come and learn. So you can't expect me to explain all that in 30 minutes go live or even 1 hour go live. So if you really want to learn about it, pinaka mo na sauma, baleta mo kay intabe sarangana no mongona solitubi kay tolo sa bulan na singa. The first 30 days, mo ronyo saraba bakandua, saraba bakarua, saraba bakatolo. Pato sarangabi ko kaya binaka mo understand ta ba binaka na kay tilom, make your decision. Kasi via sukay muri, you can take back your $149. So it's very transparent. But we really encourage people to take that step because that's where you will know everything that you need to know about this business. But one thing I'll tell you right here, it is a legitimate business. So when it comes to tax, na tax seasons, na takabati ko na nanda tax, Congo, the esiang abakoy may kinakenta na sumatalingan nanda tax ka tasaraw kati ko may baka lebo na laman business. Era talang the claim tag na nanda business expenses when the time comes. So it's recognized globally. It is a global business. So bano ang anda beto ko may kinanggor. Yotik may bitis yotik ko ni banatan. Iko ron ng karaban ng business ko. Bibi nga may tika na mo telefoni, no mo laptop, kaya na no mo internet connection. If you have those three, then you are good to go. You just have to come and learn how to get started. Yeah? So yeah, so that's about it. Go kitondo ka bali na top na community support. Dana kena barita ki raw tondo rinda ka bambalat ni sana. Ya sartik nga na weekend go. Ayo no ngono durme kena business go na nagureda na 2021. Au ridi kwa na 2021 au sanga metika bona no na 2022. No no reda kena. Ono durme kena na community. Daw dhaka na to business conventions, big business conventions. Ya already tiko nga na rona vanu libo go dhaka tiko Canada, dhaka tiko America, Canada, America, Canada, America. Ni kwa na totolo ni tumbu ni business community go. I can tell you, it's one of the fastest online business community. Sa kena totolo tiko na kena tumbu na ngo. Sa tekibuya na business conventions going to be a Sebrubura. And the first one will be held in Fiji this weekend. 6th, I think. March. Niko kabisa. Hiyo, kava. Nakasarangan na weekend go. Arba malaw dito go sara. So excited to see our the Fijian business owners. So erano tiko may viti, erano tiko na yan wala kati viti, yan ba Pacifica, to tiko may Australia, New Zealand, so tan yan ba Pacifica lewa taltingan business community ko. Sara to so viti na tiko bunyi madongo, so seranga land yani na noa, already tiko na post na Facebook, so sera land yani na mata sa oti, dono ko friend kito timi bata, ro tiko talangan na bonongo. They were there from last week. It was a holiday take with their family. Merto attend because they are one of the invited speakers. So yeah, there will be guest speakers. Yeah, that's the first one. Mevakaibite, saya tiko sa tiko bumesava kana ngona nonro kala au tiko simpernisir sok mayo si ngunti tiko medak. Abakasamta tiko men. Na nonro rai na nito na business founders roredo rao na business conventions bango kla everybody all business owners want to attend but singira ni dalakto singira ni dalakto to ko keda me America lako keda me Canada na visa na ibonto bonto sanga indola na kango me zaka na visa bono ngasar lebutu kena na business owners rarao ni ra organize taka o babini bina kabertona business owners maybe tinarto ya bala nanarto sa nguta kame Dhaka. They were wanting to do it from last year. I remember very well. Mana baksa hotel to sa beta kaptik mai. Nakachinga sunur to sa sitra layer to nga na ngone to ke lewo chinga marama. Gosal teke budur tal nga merna turang. Baking gosal la kwa saranga yani or na the top coaches, some of the big coaches, online business coaches in our community sarate ko mengo ribiti. Akla ngono ko irna la kanibala ng saratu ke mengo ribiti sa nateke bomba kana singa ni mataka. Yan na nandore na kena bimbi ni nan rasiro mai klaya na leadership the leadership tataka na leadership batu ya na numi kenda na tiko ya na kenda na leo ni community se rin tuko ni pakanta sang tiko bu na numi kenda na tiko bu yan they want to help us to grow and come to where they are. That's the beauty of being part of this business community. The support tilo mongo sa tu mandana buli ko toto bata nda nya durmai ke se durma ka mai se sang ke durunga meniko na buli nga ke me ka pati ko ke mami ka talanga na me ka. It's always there. Yeah, the same kind of support. Singin tuin na support ela ko beken. Me baka to te kitiko ng balaw ni ngon no mutiko ke se ndar ka ba se iko kay no. We all receive the same kind of support from the community. Sangay bakatunga biko, nanamuntala biko mo wulida. Se mo dingoma naka tu mebuki kenda merauninda vivibaka metumbu nananda business. So kebaka wiko you are tired of working. You sa tumbang sono uno sa Lang tar tu sana ba tumbak ngang konong bula. Ako sana taka tu ngabang ko me ka nang una. Because I remember that was me a few years back. Oh, ya don't know sabaya. Sabi taling ko sa tong ko ike, sa to na bale to na luar na tapos so sa taka anything else. What else is there for me? So when I came across this business, I want to read the kina na pamatala business ko sa klase nga. Na longo sa nga may lang sa klase. This is it. This is it for me. Hindi naman tangan yung kay delay ko na nung kutike bo balat kila na dapat. I want to share this with you because I know going to talaga na lebo talaga na kuduro mo chiko na nakawa ya to be ya. Yo tori ya wall na bula mi kay tike bo. Actually start mental be on no training. Because I did not believe in myself. Asya nga ni bakang puti o bakatike ya nakataro yo to naka. Naka lebe ay ko santo binakatsara na mi tukuna. Kaya kai ko la komike o bitalia bio ke osya nga you don't trust the business or you don't trust me or the system or whatever. Mo kuwa nga niyo siya nga trust the kiko. As long as you don't have that. But kaya sa siya nga niyo bakang buti ko bakate kiko sa you are done. You are done. Okay? Daba ko mai. Kaya kai ko la ko durumeti kaya that was me. And I had to push myself. Urida tiko na nanratala noa. Urida na bika sa visu takabira na sa tiko iliu. Urida sa mitiko na nanra business sara. Rua, tolu, bana yung bakila mani business. Lima, sara mbita rao na nanrataka tundi. And they're just working and earning from the comfort of their home. And they travel wherever they go. They take their business with them. But they're going online business. Taso ba takikenda na kahit tatapkin kila sa visu na buru-buru. Da kako ni wele tiko nenda Facebook wale tiko nga da sara ken da sara bibali ken da sara ndani sike. Let's learn how to use this so that we can earn and grow. How to use the social media the right way. Sabi sa una buru-buru, we are living in the digital era. Sa tubi kenda na kenayaya. Da reda sa katubutungo na ibalo. Nothing is guaranteed. Na job sa siyang nigay guaranteed tek nangonongo. Where na lakutuya na bibalo tisarna ya, you know, I'm sure they've lost their jobs, they've lost their businesses. Tapos asyang na takavak. Takakuniwele. Anything can happen. An affecta ka sa kitong way ka na dasal katik mo na news na baro badi po katumbo ta ka na sa ni way karobit tama chugo bat ken do na no ko sa tumbo ka na sa ni way asa tos baro tos ta ka ka sa ni pondo ni wanga bu ka na sa ni ba ko ni ya na wanga na sa ni kakana ka ka sa na baro tumbo Pada na ken dai sa na tumbo si siya da ka tiko bintu ko ya we won't get to be candle. Let's start something of our own. Start your own business. And this is the best one. Baleta, you can work on it while you are still working. Around your alongside your job. We have an automated system in place. Kwa hivyo kitu bike mami na kana vivi baka tuna nemen business. Ningono mndanga kema misingi atenta tu kena nemen business. Baka na store. Kenta na store na tosonga na vivi ni store ke baka $1 chukuna store. $1 chukuna katumba. Meron ralaga tu kanila mana customers. Bolia na ya lako tu kumay nila. Ke baka sasonga na store. So, singa na ka. Taxi, ke baka taxi. Ke vivi chukuna taxi. Kau pasindetiko sana ngai raunika. Ke baka kele tu bukan tu asyang. Well, with this business, na kena ko kana automation ya. Ko kai tu kaya. Ke baka zakabo chukuna kanu business. But so ya ba chukana baka samira chiko vera na baka na me baka na baka di store. So ngana store so ngana business. Pero no mo ira mersan tambi tu nga nonra laptop whole time meron di chukuna business no. We have the automation in place. So that's helping us. And kakeda and then I may bully the ninda sa lande my loma, menga dollar weekend and my ready con strategy dava motor baka. Niko sana dingita na kena motor baka sana kay book ta kana coaching call. Then you'll move on from there. Me dava sar na banwa san dollar may kinavi ko na no more training. That's where you really start. And then I may bully the government that cap. So it's going to take time for you to learn what to do because it's new. Can I buy the business and I'm gonna live. Sianinda kangonda siangani bulita mai kenda sing dali buli mai ke bakai komanta sa basa ulu bakata bakate kiau kenda sing bulita mai na bali di bisnis yana mana libuli lebih kan kita mai Facebook tu ngango like 10 less than 20 years ago 10 social ele mana 10 years ago tentang mi ka kinai sa ngon ta buli da siangani mai buli ta kango. So it's important when you come to do this business you will have to learn what to do ele weekenda chukanga nanda bakanana na ni na earning online kwe overnight success kwe kami dam kita kanibango kwe automatic ngamai bakachuna magic kwe ai lebo rasika lutu chuko kina birna scammers kora belo stek chuka ni bitamin don 100 motor don 3000 yoche tin karwana yawa or 24 hours. No, there's no such thing as that. Then you keep believing those kind of successes. The success happens overnight. It's built. So come in here, the lab you could take on my bully, mokilara na thab madakava, meronyoga itoso na no business. Kila long term, raisar tiko kumbalam da kuni rechunga balaka. Maru total to an business because this is something that I have started. Also, take one tingo. And okay, they non-roya na lubengo, they will continue. Ronogeli tomanangayani, and they can always pass it down to their children. It's a legacy. Rundana kanda ron bita to my verna lubenda. Yo kila sana ko mbaka na kaubia wasiani kuwa sandente na ngusiana tikumba ni la ko mai usa probably usa lebra kaubia talauza ka yo via beba ungeti tukayani take the step forward na noa ni basotia antonto me wambite na posta ni free for session do ruoti kuna ni to free for session na bimaza kwa ya ni register iko ngero ni torna link ni free for session ya Nano Sava Kautikinendua, the first one for this week, and the second one is tomorrow. Kebakai ko register go, kebakai ko via attend takana live. Otherwise, anytime you can register, kini ko sa rosarang saraba the replay that is already in there. And alakanya na no email. Yes, akwaya also no bebe suray talangayan na kabnikua. Keto na go live tiko bata ke indo tiko na nito bola keto ngani lao keto to go live tiko na no wito kani ba business ma Australia bata ke America ke ana madawa tolo sawa tikito wasoreta ke nando na nito bulangi marami to ke sa tabi sa tiko na dito baka na business chiko sarang amin nanda. She was with us 3 weeks ago. My we was say wasiana na business journey kila we won't get weekend. But tonight we have another one, and I want it to be a surprise. So maybe you'll see the poster when I'll post it later on. You can join us. Maybe I just say it. She started her business around the same time I started mine. Yeah, quite take one business because it to America. She was working as a caregiver. We came in and said, go live at when she was still here. That was maybe not last year, the other year, the year. 2024, we were saying was to come business. And now, towards the end of last year, some beauty US, so quite sala koi beauty. Sali tomani chukana nangarab business may beauty. Sarao mantanga bua dom danga nakale bun sarao bua membita na kono le ngo Amerika melako pada sana daga andi to ko satu na no iburu e kota batake ko le stale nanda ya ni na merongo dana na pe wase sana dava na dia to kono ko na mbongi ko so that's it for me today. Nakabali tale kemuni na ndo vito koni kemuni ba mureti kuma na kondo ni Peppa. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for the reactions. Yo sabano ni binakatika ni bikem daw na no vito kani may viti. Man, I hope you will enjoy and learn this weekend from your Gather and Grow meetup. So excited for you guys. Maro takin de vale bana redetiko. The maro tiko san redetiko ni maro yo mutanga sama maro tiko mara o lulu batalanga. I never thought that one day sana bang when you kilamba tanong no dormi kino sana ni reta lebo na kay biti lo mango Bi lewe tulu se lewe bambanga. I was at the virtual mono mono sengete kukina. But look at it now. Sa maka lebi nan rawer na tiko na mindana raw na weekend go business owners for that business convention. So all the best, ladies and gentlemen, all business owners. Kemuni na pinakatnin there'll be sa tikburongo maybe. We don't know when is the next one. So if you want to attend the next one, you better start come in and learn about this business rather than bonoro ni tekebukina tekebusar. Just grow it on the side. Grow it on the side. Lebiki mami tekebana business ko kem siya tak sarto ayo siya tak chinga. I'm just growing it slowly on the side. No rush. You run your business at your own pace. Yeah, baka taw sa tangabi ko wana nga lalakina zakaba na training. Takaba sarcho apply tak sarcho na kay ko bulida. And you keep growing it. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you again. Sambalam talo ko boss. Nakabali, nimpula binaka, pinakabali ako, ni kalungata, ni mother.